Looking for good information about email marketing? See the video below. It is well known that email marketing can be extremely effective. Having said that, it can be very hard to use. For instance, how do you get a lot of email addresses for running a solid campaign? How do you use email to market your goods and services? This video will give you some easy solutions to all of your inquiries and a lot of other ones as well. Remember these tips so your email marketing is as useful as possible. Do not send marketing emails to those who have not requested them. If you send emails that are unsolicited, people will think you are a spammer. This practice is terrible for the reputation of your business, and you may even get your IP address blocked by ISPs if they receive complaints about your unsolicited messages. Test out different subject lines with the A/B testing method. Split your mailing list into two parts at random. Send one version of your subject line to one half and another version to the other half. This allows you to determine which subject lines are successful and which ones are simply ignored. Create rich and relevant content in your emails in conjunction with sale information. Provide your customers with videos of interest with valuable information that is not included in your website content. Make sure to add special offers and discounts for your products and services. You should send out specials and holiday greetings, don't only send emails when you want something. Use colors and fonts that reflect your business and are easy to view. Even if the content is interesting, difficult to read fonts and harsh colors can cause some customers to reject the email, and possibly future ones as well. Use the same color scheme and fonts for all of your emails. A lot of your customers will be opening your emails on their smartphones or mobile devices. These types of devices don't have as much resolution as computer monitors, therefore, you won't have as much space that you can work with. Learn the constraints associated with small displays, and see to it that your emails can be read on phone-sized screens. A properly executed email marketing campaign can be quite profitable, but most of the time, businesses need to work out a few kinks before they see those profits. Some businesses have problems obtaining a large number of email addresses. On the other hand, some marketers do not confidently know how to creatively design their messages. By following the helpful tips in this video, you will be able to dodge any issue that may arise with your email marketing campaign. Use this video to ensure that your email marketing program is effective. Now that you got a clear knowledge about email marketing, are you ready to start? Please don't start without my full free training on email marketing. I will offer you a full $97 training for free just to make sure you succeed. Say thank you by subscribing to my channel and by liking this video. Click the link in the description to access my free full training on email marketing.